Hey guys, Shell Sullivan here. Welcome back to the shop. I'm going to revisit a video I tried before. It Firecracker cornstarch. I don't even know, did I call that a It Firecracker video? I don't even remember. But if you don't know, some you guys probably know, but cornstarch itself, when it's dispersed in the air, can be explosive all upon its own. And it can create huge fireballs with cornstarch. In fact, most any kind of finely ground powder can be explosive. Like, you've heard of grain factories exploding, sawdust mills can sometimes explode because of the fine particles have lots of oxygen in the air, and that fire front can move through it super fast and explode. So we're going to revisit that video, and also Silent Worth is coming. Silent Worth, he's got a channel of his own. He does cool video game stuff. He does cool drone stuff. So check out his channel. I'll put a link here or here. I don't remember which corner the cards appear in. But go check his channel. It's going to be awesome. Last time we only had partial combustion, and I don't remember how many grams of flash powder I used last time because it was a long time ago, and I'm too lazy to look it up. But we're going to go full 10 grams. I'm also thinking, I'm going to have this stuff all over me before it's over with. I'm also thinking I might add some aluminum powder in with the cornstarch. That way it'll have little bits of aluminum dispersed within it too that burns super hot. And that way we'll ensure that we get a fully fledged fireball. It'll probably be getting close to dark when we get this set off too. We're going to get an aerial shot from the drone. It's going to be freaking awesome. Silent Worth is on his way. I think I'm going to get started though with that. I think I am going to try just to put a little of aluminum right down inside of here and shake it up to get it dispersed. Uh-oh, maybe that's him. No, that's somebody commenting on my last video. How about that? I just released my It Firecracker watermelon video. Let's see, Jason Petit. Oh yeah, wow, Shell, so cool. Did you feel it in your chest? Boom. Yeah. In fact, I think if you watch closely, you can see the shockwave hit the cameras. It's awesome. Thanks, Jason Petit. Let's see, I'll probably put this on airplane mode so we don't get any more interruptions. I think we're going to, like I said, we're going to put some aluminum powder down inside of this. And we're just going to go ahead and measure just to see how much we end up with. I think I want this powder to turn a little gray. I think I want that much. 10 grams of that flash powder has 3 grams of this dark aluminum powder as a constituent. And I think I'm just going to go with 3 grams in the cornstarch itself. That way it'll be easier for me to remember how much I put in case this works really well. And I want to try it again. Yo! I'm at this door, dude. And we're live. We're on air. Hello. I started preparing the plan here because we're going to revisit cornstarch bomb. All right. You want to come over here and introduce? Hey, what do you want me to call you on this channel? You want me to call you Silent Worth? Billy?
Billy, it's fine.
Billy?
Yeah.
I've been telling people that you've got a cool video game channel and a cool drone channel.
Yep.
And I'm going to put a link up there.
Hopefully me and my boys' channel soon.
Yeah, he's got two great young boys that are also video game addicts. We're going to be doing lots more stuff together. So, what kind of drone is this, dude?
X-Star Premier.
X-Star Premier. I don't know shit about them. It's got a 4K camera on it. And how many frames per second can it film at?
I think
we were trying to figure out.
It's 60.
60.
I think it's 60.
I had so many
but you
problems.
can change the resolution down. I think.
I mean, can you go like 240 with it, like you can GoPro?
I can look in the settings when I power
Yeah,
it
when you power it up.
Because I got time on my hands now.
Time. All right, you heard that.
Batteries.
Oh, battery time. He got 2 new batteries.
Yep.
All right. Well, you got your shit right into my way.
Oh. Okay.
I'm getting ready. I'm
It Firecracker.
I do have some pyrotechnics here. I'm getting ready to mix. So you remember the last time we only got partial fireball out of the cornstarch?
Right.
Do you remember? I don't remember how much flash powder I used, but this time we're going full 10 grams. So.
Yeah, I think you were staying shy on powder and stuff.
You know, I don't ever mix up more than 10 grams, but I think
Watch his fingers.
well, just lately, I think I'm just going to just go 10 grams with everything. If you can't blow it up with 10 grams, I probably shouldn't be blowing it up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this aluminum powder in with the cornstarch because it burns super hot. So the idea is that I'm going to put 3 grams of German dark 3 micron aluminum in with the cornstarch. And we'll give it a shaky shake. And hopefully it'll like turn gray. It should be gray. If you get up with a gray powder.
You gonna wad it into a ball?
Well, I think we're gonna use like a sandwich bag and push a hole into the center of that and put the flash powder in a sandwich bag down in the middle of it. Any idiot can put a firecracker into a thing, but I'm the type of idiot that makes a firecracker out of that thing. And what that means is that we don't put a firecracker into a thing. We want the thing to be the compression container itself. So let's see if that 3 grams of German dark aluminum is mixed up good with this cornstarch. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it looks blue. It's like a blue powder.
Yeah, it does have it.
And I've got 10 grams of flash powder already mixed up. I need a sandwich bag. All right, it's coming up a storm. Billy's out there scoping it out from a distance. I think we'll be all right though. So let's get on with the build part of this. So like I said, here's my cornstarch boosted with aluminum powder. And I think what we're going to do is just pop this little tool down inside. Cornstarch has that cornstarchy feel to it, just kind of sticky and weird and cakey and flowy and dusty all at the same time. It's coming up a storm, ain't it?
Hot out here.
Hot. Well, I just unplugged the air conditioner because it makes so much noise, but I don't think we'll be able to stand it. You guys don't mind the air conditioner noise, do you? I guess not. Here's 10 grams of flash powder that I just got done diapering before I started filming. And that's going to drop down in the corner of this bag. You just going to stay off camera over there?
Yeah, I'm staying away from.
Are you afraid?
Yeah, I'm staying. My eyes are precious.
Are you afraid? You should be afraid.
I respect what it is.
You should.
For sure.
You've seen it go off enough.
Oh yes.
All right, that's 10 grams right there. Well, you know what I think I'm gonna do? You want to kick it up a notch? All right, 10 grams of flash powder. Let's just, you know what? It's almost the 4th of July, so we might as well just kick it up a notch. We got some stars. I have no idea what color they are, but let's just put, say, I don't know, 10-ish stars in there. Might as well. And then I got some crackles too. These are little mini crackles. We'll just drop those in there too.
Snap, crackle, and pop.
Let's just put a rough handful in there. This might be the coolest video yet. Who knows? Alright, I just kind of push that down in there. I feel like it's in the middle. I feel like it's in the middle pretty good. Fuse is cheap. Fingers are not. Alright.
Did you get sensual stabbing the watermelon?
That's why I had to blur some of it out.
See it?
You know what? I make myself laugh. That's why I do this. I don't care if anybody ever watches it. Really, I don't. It's just fun.
Melon molester.
Damn. So that's 10. This is what that's the same amount that's in this, dude.
That stuff went And the radius, man, 80 feet.
I didn't get behind.
I saw you said they didn't get behind nothing.
I put it, and I got like sprayed a little bit, which was fun.
Humidity
Yeah.
count.
That's going to just blow on over. All right, I think.
Natural diffuse sunlight, nature's.
All right,
diffuser.
I think we can do this.
You ready?
Well, I'll start moving some equipment down there before get my camera set up. All right. All right, here comes Billy with his drone. So what do you think is going to happen, guys? You think those stars and cracklers are going to go off? You think we're going to get a flame ball? Mobile AC.
It'll be crazy. Nice. Now get it spotted in the smoke.
Did you see a fireball?
Yeah. I saw fire and light and
I think all the, I don't know what I saw. Do you see the plastic?
right there.
Oh. You know what? It's not as devastating as I thought it would be.
Blew out in one direction.
It did blow out in one direction. Okay, the fireball, it was a little traveling fireball through there. It was kind of whooshing around.
How it spiraled out.
Be a good shot. Be fun. I was hoping for a big giant fireball though. All right, guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you liked it. It was a lot of fun making it. It was a lot of fun having Billy over. Check out his channel. I have links for it. He does some cool video game stuff. He does some cool drone stuff. He likes doing this with his thumbs a lot. So go check that out. He's really good at his thumbs doing that kind of stuff. So check him out over there. And
Now I'm back to PC now.
back to PC.
I'm
You're
back to PC gaming.
playing on the PC?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
he is playing on. Okay, he's like this now. He's Mr. VR
VR.
stuff. Yeah, he's got some VR stuff. So check it out. The mosquitoes are killing us, so we're gonna head inside. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, all that up.
Goodbye. Have a good night.
Bye.